Where will you go? This train is going to Bucharest.
I'll tell you a story. 2 years ago in midsummer, I was on Delos, location hunting for a film. The sun blazed white on the ruins. I wandered around amongst the broken marble, the fallen columns. A frightened lizard slithered into hiding under a tombstone. Invisible cicadas droned away, adding a note of desolation to the empty landscape. And then I heard a creaking sound, a hollow sound as if coming from the depths of the earth. I looked up, and on the hill I saw an ancient olive tree slowly toppling over. An olive tree on a hill, slowly sinking to its death on the ground, a huge solitary tree lying. The gash made by the fallen tree revealed an ancient head, the bust of Apollo. Dislodged, it rolled away. I walked on further, past the row of lions, the column of the row of Thelai, till I reached a small secret place, the birthplace of Apollo, according to tradition. Oh. I raised my Polaroid and pressed the button. And when the photograph slid out, I was amazed to see it hadn't registered a thing. I shifted my position and tried again. Nothing. Blank negative pictures of the world. As if my glass wasn't working. I went on taking one photograph after another, clicking away. The same empty squares, black holes. The sun dipped into the sea, as if abandoning the scene. I felt I was sinking into darkness. When the film archive suggested this project, I was only too eager. It was a way out. I'd have given up soon enough, only I discovered something. 3 reels of film, not mentioned by any film historian. I don't know what came over me then. I felt strangely disturbed. I tried to shrug the feeling away to break free, but I couldn't. 3 reels. Perhaps a whole film, undeveloped. The first film, perhaps. The first glance. A lost glance. A lost innocence. It turned into an obsession as if it were my own work. My own first glance. Lost long ago.